Hi everybody, how y'all doing today? Welcome back to my channel. I am here to unbox the 32-inch LED display from Sceptre. Yes, I have already had on and brought these TVs from Walmart because they was on sale for $128. It's not bad for a 32-inch television. So once I saw that, I went ahead on and brought them. This monitor here, well, let me correct that. This TV here will be replacing my monitors. I have two 24-inch TVs as my PC monitor. So just like I sit down and said, this is going to be replacing my TV monitor. I'm on a 24-inch TV bezel, so I'm gonna go ahead on and crank it up to 32 now. Alrighty. Here it has, as you see, the presentation is well spot on. You got the product, you got the design, it's Energy Star, it's 120 megahertz, it's HDMI and MHL. Side of the box as well, you have your more specifications. It is 31.5 diagonal active screen. Yes, to measure your televisions, you guys to go ahead and measure them diagonally. So it's, if you get a 60-inch television, it is 59.5 diagonally. So that's a good thing there. It has sleek and slim LED display, MEMC 120, which is 120 megahertz. It's mobile high definition link, HDMI ports, supports high definition, 10 watts per channel. So you got two speakers, 10 watts, that's 20 watts per channel for both, so it's 10 watts in the two speakers. It has a USB port, JPEG for audio, Energy Star certified, and you have a 1-year limited warranty. So other than that, the presentation is well spot on. As you know, it goes through shipping and handling, so I got a little dink on the side, so I hope that's not really tearing up the television. So let's go ahead on and get into the unboxing of it, and let's see what we have on the inside. Okay, what we have is one of the legs, your manual, and your remote. And one thing about it, it comes with a nice, good, healthy screwdriver, so that's a good thing plus right there to put your legs on. Your other leg, and your TV. One thing I like about it is slim. Let's go ahead and get it out of the plastic, and we can take it from there. Okay, one thing I like about it, nice slim design. Which is nice, pretty good, decent. Good slim design. You can't go wrong with it. Now, let's go over the specs more. Okay, on the side. On the side, you have your coaxi for cable and antenna hookup. You have your USB port. You have your VGA output. And you have your two HDMIs on the side. Okay. On the bottom, you have your plug. You have your composite leads. You have your headphone jack. Bring it a little closer. You have your headphone jack, which is right here. You have your SPDF out. You have your composite, your audio, and your DVD and etc. hookup, and you have your other HDMI right there. Now let's assemble the legs. Now on the back, if you don't want to use the legs and you want to mount them to a TV stand, you have your VESA supports on the back. Okay, let's go ahead and install the legs. And one thing I like about it do come with the remote, and it comes with a nice good Ziploc bag. But you know what? I'm not going to be using the screwdriver. I'm going to use the screwdriver anyway because it comes with it. And you got your screws. Now keep in mind that these legs go in one way, so you cannot install them no other way. Up, I'm hooking it up wrong. The left is over here. Yeah. Alright, I'm putting the legs on so I can go ahead and give it a little more stable stand support, so I can go ahead and stand it up and just go over the details, power it on for you, and I can go ahead and see the good quality of it. And one thing I like about it is magnetic, so that's a good thing about it right there. You have a magnetic screwdriver that holds onto the screws, which is good. Bring this back out, son. Don't want to damage my monitors. Yeah, I'm going big boy, so yeah. So I'm going 64-inch across 232s. And I'll be doing an installation video of that there as well, when y'all see me hook them up. I really like this brand here by Sceptre. A good brand, very reasonable in price. That's the main reason why I brought it, because it's very reasonable in price, and you cannot go wrong with that. If you're looking for a nice budget-friendly TV, then this is the one right here. I also have brought the Sceptre 55 4K monitor TV for personal home use. So that's one reason what really basically brought me onto this brand here, is I had brought a nice good 55-inch television from them as well. Now just keep in mind the legs going one way, you're going to have a description diagram saying right and one saying left, so just follow that. You can't put them in no other way because they won't work that way, so you only could go one way with it. Alrighty, with the legs on. Not bad. Let's go ahead and take the overlay off. Which is just a nice little basic, plastic film. that. Okay. And voila, you have the reveal of the product. So like I said, it has a nice good slim base design. You can't go wrong with it. It has a V-set in the back so for mounting to your TV stands. Or if you want to mount them onto the wall, etc., you can go ahead and do that. Just like I said, you have a coaxial hookup for your antenna and cable TV. But if you don't want to hook it up through there, you can also always hook them up to your HDMI. You have your DVD hookup leads. You have your headphone jack for audio out. If you want to hook external speakers up to it. If you not liking the speaker sound, you can always update your speaker quality. Does that. Alrighty. We know you got power. You got your red light on there. Give you our picture quality of it. Now keep in mind it's 120 megahertz. So that's a big plus. So if you're looking for a megahertz television that's going to go ahead and give a good quality, then this is the TV here. Right now I'm just putting the batteries into the remote, which I'll be revealing that as well too. Now keep in mind that, like I said, I do have a 55K television, 4K television, and the remote it's pretty good, but once you drop the remote on the floor, you might just go ahead and say goodbye to it. The remote is a little bit on the flimsy side, which it is just your basic simple remote. Go ahead on the setup. TV's powering on. You get your little Sceptre. Going through the language guide, English of course. Let me go back and change the doggone language. Let me go ahead on and execute. I'm on TV antenna. Right now I'm going through the channels right now, so it's just pretty simple. Once you go ahead on and set it up, you got to go ahead on and go to the menu setup. Just like I said, I changed the language by accident. I gotta go ahead and put it back in English. It's not too hard to do. And other than that, everything is great. Now I do have a regular wall mount antenna, so it's going to take a little longer for the TV channel to be found. But other than that, it's a great TV. I will recommend people, if they want to go get a nice good TV for a nice good budget, a 32-inch, a 40 by Sceptre, or a 50 or 55-inch. This is a good brand here, and you cannot go wrong with it. Now, just like I said, I'll be using these as my monitors, so I'll be going through a little desk replacement to go ahead and push these babies in. If I know it's this long, I will probably start to 24, but I'm pretty much happy with my 32 because I'm on 224 TVs as my monitors. Just like I said, you can go ahead and use it for basically all purposes. TV, monitors, whatever you like to do with it, this would be a good option right here. Now, as you know, I have brought two of them. I'm going 64 inches deep, so that's pretty big. Now some of y'all probably saying, well, I just didn't went ahead on and get the a good 48 inches, because I don't want one long curved monitor. I like everything to be separated. Everybody preference is different, so keep that in mind. So if you have a different preference and you set up your workstation the way you like it, then you go ahead and you go with the flow with it. But other than that, Sceptre is a good brand. I have Sceptres in my house, so this makes a good dynamic brand for people to use. And you can't go wrong with this brand here. Now, if you're into Vizio, etc., that's basically up to the consumer buy. But for people looking for a nice, good TV on the budget, a 32-inch TV for $128, you can't go wrong with it. And you can pick them up at Walmart. Now, Amazon do sell them. They're gonna be a little costly, but just keep that in mind. Amazon selling these TVs as well as $145 to $170.
Examining history.
Good TV quality, and right off the bat, I like the fact that the sound do come on. Now when you go bigger TVs, the sound don't come on, so you gotta go ahead and turn the sound on yourself, but this is one thing I like. Great picture quality.
Wednesday at 8 p.m. on South Florida PBS.
You can see the colors, high definition colors are perfect, well spot on.
And fighting for their lives. Weapons that are used in fighting and weapons that are big. But how did they evolve this way? Wow, look at that. Out of nowhere.
For $128, this TV is not bad. I like it. One thing I like about it as well, while it's still on, it has a nice, good, slim design on the side. But when you go to the back, just keep in mind I gave a view to the back. It's a little bulky on the back. So you have that little bulky bottom, but nice little slim design. So that's not bad. Other than that, this is a great TV. Thank you for watching the unboxing of the TV. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Go ahead, if you like this video, please subscribe. Please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. I got more great content coming out. And I'll see you when I see you. Peace.